Negative numbers. Order positive and negative numbers. Here is a number line. The numbers above 0 are positive numbers. Here from 1 to 7. The further away from 0, the greater the value of a positive number. The numbers below 0 are negative numbers. Here from -1 to -7. And the further away from 0, the smaller the value of the negative number. Positive numbers are greater in value than negative numbers. How can we order these numbers from smallest to biggest? First, we'll group them into positive and negative. These 3 are positive, and these 3 are negative. Then we can order those groups. We're going from smallest, so it's the biggest negative number. The further away from 0, the smaller the value of a negative number. And then we're going up in order for positive numbers. The further away from 0, the greater the value of a positive number. Let's order these from biggest to smallest. We'll group them into positives and negatives. There's just these 2 that are positive. And these 4 are negative. Then we order the groups. We're going from biggest to smallest. Make sure you read the question. The biggest is our biggest positive number. Then we go into our negative numbers. And the smallest is our biggest negative number. Remember, we use negative numbers to show that a number is less than or below 0. The further away from 0, the smaller the value of a negative number, although the number looks bigger. So -20 is less than -3, and the further away from 0, the greater the value of a positive number. Negative numbers are always lower in value than positive numbers. -3 is less than 1. Make sure you read the question. Is it biggest to smallest or smallest to biggest?